The DVD of the 1996 Doctor Who movie contains a small Easter egg. To find it, highlight Play All. Then press left on your remote. This will make the Doctor Who logo change colour. Now press enter. This will show that the DVD is dedicated to the memory of Jon Pertwee. Jon Pertwee played the third Doctor and sadly died a few days after the TV film was released.